welcome back to Amazing Foods. Today we will be making a chocolate milkshake 2.0. I'm sorry I have not been uploading for the past 4 months. From today onwards I'll be trying to upload more often, and let's get right into it. Now the ingredients that we need for this chocolate milkshake. For this amount I'm taking almost 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 big scoop of ice cream, chocolate ice cream. And over here I have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. And now we're going to add everything into our blender. So first make sure everything is cleaned up. So we clean everything up inside of the grinder just to, in case, to remove all of the moisture. Then we are going to add our milk. Next we're going to add our cocoa powder. This is the unsweetened cocoa powder. You could add the sweetened cocoa powder if you want. I have sugar, granulated sugar. And next I'm going to add my ice cream. Next we're going to drizzle a little bit of our chocolate syrup. And now we blend. Now I have blended it in the blender, and it looks like this. And now what you're going to do is just you're going to pour it. Once we have poured a good amount, you could add whipped cream and frosting, whipped cream and chocolate chips. But I don't have that, so I'm just going to put a little more of this syrup. So this is our final product.